Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check notifications on TikTok. It's really simple and easy. Now the first thing we will do is make sure you have notifications turned on your phone. So let's hop into the mobile settings first. And midway down is notification and status bar. Just tap on it. Go for this app notification. And now we have to scroll down until we find this TikTok. Just tap on this TikTok and make sure that is turned on. You want make sure lock screen, notification center and banners are turned on. You can choose sounds and badges and all of this and customize it exactly how you want. Now that all of this is turned on, you can check notifications on your phone itself by just swiping down from the top left, and then you will be able to see if you have any notifications pop up right here. You can see I don't currently have any, but you can also find them in the TikTok app itself. So let's open up the TikTok application here. You can see inbox at the bottom right. Tap on inbox here and you will be able to see a bunch of different things. For some reasons TikTok combines your inbox with your activities and messages, all that stuff. But you can see, for instance, under activity, these are various people that viewed your profile or liked your video or whatever it may be, or people that you might know. Now you can go through any of these and see those notifications from your users or followers. You can also on here adjust exactly what you do get notifications for and whether they are push or email or whatever they may be. So tap on the profile picture in the bottom right and then tap on these three bars in the top right. Now let's choose this settings gear icon and then scroll down and you can see in the content and display the first option, notifications. Go for it. On here again in app notifications at the top or push notifications, you can choose to get a basically messages, whatever you get, a like, comment, new follower, mentions and tags, profile views, repost or post you interact with, as well as any kind of messages, accounts you follow, lives, repost, all of those things. You can choose exactly when you do and when you don't get notified for these things. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.